Hey folks, Happy New Year. Tim, the dad. seeouRView, full-time RV life, real full-time RV folks. And I'm coming at you from our winter. Okay, it's kind of a tradition of ours to have pork loin on New Year's Day, so I guess that's what we're gonna do. But we haven't done any cooking for you guys in this new Galanz air fryer, microwave, convection oven combo, all in one. So ridiculous. Ridiculous behavior. Ridiculous. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Do you like my kitchen? Woohoo! Hey folks, Tim, the dad. We're here. Hey folks, Tim, the dad. This is I'm so lost being the dad without the daughter. It's just full-time RV life with real full-time RV folks. But anyway, seeouRView, full-time RV life with real full-time RV folks. And we're coming at you from Show Low, Arizona in our cozy little RV tucked away in the snow. And y'all like the kitchen? We're gonna do some cooking today. Cooking. Yeah. So for it's actually New Year's. Happy New Year's, guys. How are you? Hope you're good. Hope you ain't hungover from New Year's Eve. Too much? Okay. Go back to sleep. Take some aspirin. You'll get over it. I can't do this. Okay, so Happy New Year's, guys. Did y'all know it was New Year's? I did. Singing in the rain. Okay, so in today's video, y'all remember in one of our previous videos where we upgraded our microwave and we got this Galanz air fryer microwave all in one. So in today's video, we're gonna cook us up some pork loin in it with the air fryer, and let's see how it turns out. Come on with us. We're gonna be cooking up this Smithfield pork loin in our Galanz air fryer, microwave, convection, roaster combo thing. We're gonna use the air fryer mode and see how this turns out. So Happy New Year's, everybody, and let's get to cooking it up. Let's cook it. First thing we gotta do is preheat this. We gotta preheat it when you do the air fryer mode. Don't you always preheat an air fryer? I think so. So we're gonna hit air fry, and we're going 25 minutes per pound, and this is 1.5 pounds. So that's 38, 40 minutes, something like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do 40 minutes and give it a few minutes to preheat, and then we'll be ready to throw that in. 375, and let's just do that and hit start, and we're gonna go 40, 25, 30, 35, 40, start. And while that's preheating, I'll go ahead and get this cut open and ready to go. Oh, y'all remember that cute little shelf? What a perfect place for the tools that come with this Galanz. It comes with the roasting pan and the air fryer set. And since we're going to be air frying on this. I'm going to put it on the roasting pan so that it catches the drippings, and maybe we'll make up some gravy with that when we're done. Ooh, gravy, you say? Yeah, gravy. Good. Yep. Now, we got one that's already pre-seasoned, so I don't really have to worry about seasoning it. You know, if you haven't tried these Smithfield pork loins, they're actually quite good. They've got several different flavors. We also keep the cut boards up there. What we're going to do is we're going to cook it tap side up. You don't want to cut into the meat, because if you do, that allows moisture to escape. But if you go ahead and just cut through this a little bit, it'll allow it to crisp up. And come out real yummy. So about 3/8 half-inch apart. Just barely cut through your layer of fat back or whatever that's called. I'm gonna go ahead and cut her in half and cook up both halves like so. And that way it'll fit on here a little better. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good, folks. So we need about 38 minutes if you're doing exactly 25 minutes per pound. So I'll just bump it back up by a minute here. Alright. Now we wait, and while we wait, we anticipate. Yes. And I'll go ahead and start on the sides, which we're doing easy sides this time. We got a few leftovers and some already made macaroni and cheese with lobster. Microwave it up. Can of green beans. Hey, who says you gotta be fancy? We're just having a good time on Happy New Year's. See y'all in a bit. And we're back. I think it's ready. Let's look. Oh, y'all hungry? Oh boy. Cancel. Open. Oh, ooh. Let's get it right on up in there. Oh my. Ooh-wee. All right, I gotta be careful pulling this out. Oh my. Y'all, look at that. Oh my. Mm-hmm. Not a whole lot of juices from it, so it doesn't look like we're gonna get any gravy out of it. And this is not too hot after having that running for 40 minutes. I mean, it's warm. But All right, come right back. We'll have things ready up and we'll have a taste. Okay, so we've had it resting for about 5 minutes or so under the aluminum foil. And oh my goodness. What do y'all think? Let's see how this baby cuts up. It is crispy and juicy. Oh my. Oh my goodness. Y'all look at how juicy that is. And hear how crispy that top is? Oh boy. Crispy but not burnt. Get in there, bro. Guys. Oh, I'm so hungry. Let's eat. Let's give it the old taste test. Y'all ready? I'll link there ain't no recipe to link. It's all easy. Okay. Bye. Thanks for watching. Thank you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.